For our math activity today, we are going to be doing a worksheet called Spin and Subtract. Now, it looks a little confusing, but we are going to be figuring it out together. So on all of these, right here, you are going to see subtraction number sentences. Now, that looks like blank minus blank equals blank. Let's read that together. Blank minus blank equals blank. Now, the same way that at school we make spinners, you are going to make a spinner at home. You can take any object actually. So, the first object that I found to use is actually my house key. Right? You can even use, if you want to use a pencil, go for it, right? You can use anything. So I'm going to show you an example with both of those. So here is my spinners down here. And I'm going to direct you down here so you can kind of see how I'm doing it. Now my surface isn't flat, so it might be a little hard. My key is good because it has like this little hole in the middle. Right, and I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to put it, okay? Up, I landed on 10. Notice how I'm starting on the numbers that are bigger, and then I'll go to the numbers that are smaller. So I started with 10. So my first number right here is going to be 10. I always start with a bigger number. 10 minus, now I'm going to spin it again, okay? Okay, I got 10 minus 3. So I'm writing 3 here. Now, when I'm doing this, I'm going to start by starting with the whole number to solve. Whoops, I wrote 3 backwards. Oh my God, Miss Bear. What are you doing? You're good, right? We can fix our mistakes. Look, better 3. Okay. So I'm starting out with my whole number, my big number, okay? 10 was my first number. You can see that right here. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm taking away 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to count how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And that is my total. 10 minus 3 equals 7. So your first step is you're going to use a spinner, anything you want. Look, I did it with a key. You can really do it with anything you want. To spin right here and figure out which number you're going to start with. Then you're going to take away one of the smaller numbers. When you're done, you're going to write it right here in your number sentence and you're going to solve it. You can solve it using your hands. You might draw a picture to solve it. You might use manipulatives to solve it. Any way you want to solve it is great. I just can't wait to see your work on Seesaw and see how much you know about subtraction. Have a nice day.